Hi, it's Mike again. I want to take a minute and talk to you about vacuum-related parts in your plant. And whether it's American or German parts, it really doesn't matter to Marathon. As you can see, we make a lot of different parts for the machines, vacuum-related. And whether it's big cylinders or cylinders your bars go into, or really cool cylinders, vacuum cylinders, tough machining. Vacuum bars, vacuum shells, pretty cool part. Vacuum tables, more vacuum bars. I plan on documenting all of them. I mean, anything that we can get our hands on, Mike Foy, reverse engineers, and we'll put one in stock. That way you don't have to inventory it. And this isn't all of the parts. This is just what I grabbed, I could throw on a cart when I brought them on my bench. The common thing I hear adjusters say when they call, and we talk to a lot of them every day, is they don't have enough vacuum in their plant. And it could be for a lot of reasons. It could be you added a machine, it could be your vacuum pump's just old. Valves leak on the machines, you know, like sieves, a lot of them. And could be the vacuum bar itself. You know, we see vacuum bars come in that we reverse engineer weekly, and sometimes they're 5 times the diameter they should be when they were new. So that has to affect speed, and speed is production. At the end of the day, you just aren't making them as fast as you can. Now, the other thing I will say is every part we make, I try to make better. And for various different ways of doing it. Could be, if it was a casting before, we make them out of solid billet. You know, whether it's big or small, complicated, you know, collator wheels. We're making them out of billet. It's a beautiful part. The coatings involved. There's coatings out there now that weren't available 20, 30, 40 years ago. The accuracies, you know, we're an aerospace machine shop besides a die shop. We do a lot of machining here. So we see, one, the machines are new. The tolerances we hold are really tight. The other is the aluminum is like steel. There's a lot of grades. I think most people think aluminum is aluminum. Well, I can think of 10 or 12 different grades we machine here. And I don't think you want a cylinder like this or a vacuum bar like this made out of the same aluminum your soda can is made out of, because there's different grades. Some are tempered, some are hardened, some are tougher. We hear it when we machine. You know, like I say, we do airplane parts here, so we machine a fair amount of aluminum. So we see the ones that are harder to machine that are tougher, and that's what these parts should be. Now, I don't know what everyone else is making them out of, but I can tell you, we're not making them out of the cheapest material made just to make a buck. I'm thinking about how to make that part better for you. So if you got any bars, if you don't see a bar or any of the vacuum-related parts at marathonparts.net, give Mike Foy a call. Ask him if he has it documented. We're behind getting parts up on the internet because we make a lot of parts. If we don't have it and you have a new part or even an old part you can spare for a day or two, send it to us. Let us document it. The next time you need that part, we'll give it to you at a discount for helping us out. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to make more. I'm going to make a lot of them on everything. My plan is to be the best die maker, parts supplier the industry's ever seen. Thanks.